Welcome to Combat TV. Have you always wanted to know how to do multi-page, scaled, and poster printing with list and label? Well, then you clicked on the perfect video. In this video, I'm going to use the list and label sample application to show you how it's done. First of all, I'm going to the Print tab in order to select the report that we'd like to print. When we open the desired report, a dialog will show which lets us choose the different output settings. Right now, we cannot see any options for the various print settings yet. Reason for that is the output is still set to preview. Right here, the setting needs to be changed to printer instead. Now in the bottom area of the output settings, you should see a checkbox which lets you select either multi-page, poster, or scaled printing. Whatever you choose as output mode, set it right here. Now let's take a closer look at multi-page printing. There are several options, as for example, you can select the number of pages in horizontal and vertical direction, or you can set the border width between pages and choose whether to draw a page border around each page. By switching the layout between portrait and landscape, you can even auto-rotate pages to fit more print into less space. Next, let's create a PDF for illustration purposes. In order to do so, we will set the X and Y coordinates to 2. To get a visual result, we'll now select the Microsoft Print to PDF printer, which is right above the printer dialog. Last step, start the print and save the PDF. Let's take a look at the result. You'll see we have a total of 4 pages, displayed on only one page, in the pre-selected 2x2 grid. Since the report itself had 5 pages though, the last page was transferred over to the second page of the output. Thank you for listening.